everybody, it's me, Natalie, and Dalton with NJ's Toy Box. And today we're going to be opening up the Grossery Gang vinyl vending machine. Woohoo! And we also have 1 2-pack. And so let's get started.
We've had this vinyl vending machine for a while.
No, we haven't. We just got it. It's brand new.
It looks like they're still in it. The salt and pepper, I'm guessing. Where's checklist?
Well, it comes with a checklist.
Whoa, whoa.
And it's got all of the characters on it that's in here. So the first one we have is this stale muffin, and these are all like an exclusive colors. And then what's this one?
This one is barf biscuit.
And then we have the snot and pepper.
Snot and pepper. That's classic.
And then this one is the Rotten's raspberry.
Now that I say next
Move the 2-pack.
you said rotten raspberry.
So this next row.
It's
This one.
is
No.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Cracked cracker.
Cracked cracker.
Here we go. Okay.
Did you say this is rotten raspberry?
Yeah. And so the next one is Lolly Slop. Ew,
Lolly
gross.
slop, and the next one is
What's this one?
yucky yogurt.
Gross.
Yeah, I don't, look at the yogurt. It's green.
It's gross. And it's got purple slime or whatever.
Yeah, this stuff is disgusting. I was gonna say disgusting. Man.
Don't have these with you in your kitchen when you're cooking or eating.
Yeah, it'll
So-
make you gross out. And no one
So
cook.
the next one is Rotten Egg.
Rotten egg. The next one is. Take it.
What's this one?
Oh, it's this one. Lime.
Lame licorice.
Lime licorice.
And these are really squishy if you're not familiar with them. Squishy. And these are all repaints. Hey. And this one, this is the crusty chocolate bar.
Crusty We got
Okay.
crusty chocolate bar.
And then this one is Bad Soy.
The next one is stinky. I have no clue what that is.
Neither do I. Maybe it's like a rotten yogurt or something.
Is it?
I don't know. Its name is Stinky. What do you think it is?
Stinky.
I think it's Stinky.
If you know what this is, let us know. Just says stinky.
That's its name.
I'm guessing it's stinky.
Ew, whatever this is disturbing.
It's so gross.
Oh, this is disturbing.
Hmm.
This is spotty zit cream.
Oh! I thought it was
Ew.
paint.
I thought it was like toothpaste.
I thought it was paint.
Oh, that's so disgusting.
It's Zoddy Zit Cream.
Ew, it's so gross.
Zoddy Zit
I can't
Cream.
believe you guys like these things.
They're squishy.
And they're so disturbing.
Yeah.
Very.
Spotty.
So this is leafy juice.
Spotty Zit Cream.
Zit cream.
Zit. That's so disturbing.
And this one is
This cup is big.
the sticky soda.
Sticky soda.
In green.
And this
And that last one is
terrible tomato sauce. Tomato, whatever. Well, put on. I don't said Shopkins.
So now there's 4 mysteries, but they're not really much of a mystery because they're on the list.
Don't tell.
But I'm not going to tell you. So we have 2.
But we don't
Wait,
know.
no, stop.
But we don't know which
Which
ones.
2 do you want? These 2 or these 2? These 2 or these 2? These 2 or these 2? These 2 or
Give
these
them
2?
a random one. Thank you. Yeah. So we got a cat mystery. What if one of them's name was really named Mystery? Where's the scissors?
Ooh!
I might need them.
What is this one? This is Gooey Chewy.
Gooey purple. Oh, gooey gooey.
So these don't have like the ultra rare and rare and
Yeah.
in this vending machine.
Yeah. Let me see it.
Ooh, that's.
Let me see it.
I know. I think that's Grady Lime.
Right.
Yeah, this is Grady Lime.
Oh,
And it goes with rotten raspberry.
yeah, I was gonna move that over there and put an extra rotten raspberry.
Okay, so I'm
Drink
going
it,
to open
drink
up my last one.
Well, not
Well,
really.
not really.
Like this doesn't have the hard ones or the fuzzy ones.
Yeah,
Okay.
Well, not.
yet. Ooh, this is Stinky Mint.
Stinky mint.
No.
It matches your shirt.
Let me see. Oh, it does.
We have that in the regular special edition at home,
Color.
I believe.
Let me see if I could open this without scissors.
This one looks like Paw Pizza Base from Shopkins Season 6.
Well, that crusty chocolate bar looks like Wonder Wafer. That's my.
And the egg
Can
looks like
I
Egg
see
Chick.
This is what happens when Shopkins go rotten.
Yeah. The spotty zit cream is
Yeah, that's really nasty.
disturbing.
It's disturbing. I don't want that in
Oh,
my
I
bathroom.
got it. Rotten.
Ooh, that's Smoochie Kiss? Yes, or Gucci Smooch.
It looks like Hershey's Kiss.
Hershey's Kiss gone rotten.
Yeah. I got the little bell on it and it's like.
She's gross.
She's like.
Those are all the ones that came in the vial vending machine. And now we have a 2-pack to open.
Hang on, let me put this. Mix it up. Not like this. Then give me one.
Which one do you want? That one? Okay.
It's
I'm going to open mine
squishy.
first.
Ooh, what's that? It looks like. Where's that one that?
So it's like a putrid
What's that
pancakes.
one?
Which one?
Looks like it's that one.
The Gucci Smooch?
No, this one.
Oh.
Here, circle. I got it. Thank you. Hopefully I don't cut it. Don't feel my grocery gang. Let's put it there.
You didn't even cut it.
Give me a
How can you use the scissors and not cut it?
Nope. It's red. It is. Oh.
It's the unfrozen pizza.
I thought it
See? Unfrozen pizza. Here,
Oh,
show it to the camera. No, literally, Dalton.
God, they're so nasty.
I know. Put this
So,
right.
here
Look.
are all of the characters we got.
There's food. Can't see them. Just put it right here. Like this one right here.
So, who
We
is
got-
your favorite?
I got little lookout towers.
Who's your favorite?
Mine has to be. It's. Let me see checklist.
No, just point to it.
It's like this one.
It's not pepper.
That's one I like the best too.
It's not.
I
like it because
I like these two. The rotten raspberry and the Grady Lime.
It's not pepper.
Yeah.
It's
So tell us,
it's my favorite because looks like there's two.
so tell us down in the comment section who is your favorite. And thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!